Hey everybody, this is Caleb with Common Motor, and today we're going to be showing you how to change the oil on your CB360, CL360, and CJ360 motorcycles. For this family of motorcycles, the oil should be changed every 1,500 miles or 2,400 kilometers. On every other oil change, you should also take the chance to clean out your oil filter. If you don't know how to do this, make sure to check out our instructional video up in the right-hand corner. Begin by sliding an oil catch can underneath your motorcycle. You can find your drain plug right here. Drain plugs can be tough to remove, so play it safe by using a breaker bar to break the bolt loose first. Make sure not to turn the plug in the wrong direction. Once the plug is broken loose, unscrew it the rest of the way and let your oil drain into the catch container. Go ahead and inspect the oil for any debris or metal pieces, as those can be a good indicator of issues with your engine. If your oil smells like gas or is thin, you may have your carburetor overflowing into your engine and not know it. Go ahead and kick over the engine a few times to get out the remaining oil. With your drain plug removed, inspect it for damage on the threads or the head of it. If it's damaged, it's time to replace the plug. We have two great options, our standard plug and our black hole drain plug. Reinstall the drain plug and snug it down, but be sure not to over tighten it. That can make your next oil change a nightmare. Honda calls for 1.5 liters or 1.6 quarts of oil in your engine. In the service manual, they recommend 10W40 oil, but over here at Common Motor, we really prefer to use 15W40 diesel truck mineral oil. The extra additives in the diesel truck oil are great for your engine. You should also add 2 ounces of zinc additive every time you change the oil. When you think you're close, it's time to check the dipstick. To check the oil level, unscrew the dipstick, wipe off the oil, and sit it back in the engine casing. Don't screw it all the way back in. Remove the dipstick and now check your oil level. If you're at full, you will be at the top line on your dipstick. Once you're full, return the dipstick to the engine and screw it all the way in. You've now changed the oil on your motorcycle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram, subscribe to our newsletter over at common-motor.com, and subscribe to this YouTube channel right down below.